Sometimes when we are ready to do something and exactly suddenly we just get a thought that no, I don't want to do this, I want to do that. All right, sometimes you go to meet someone and you feel like, I don't like this person, he's not of my type or she's not of my type. Or maybe somebody tells you that you should not meet that person or you should not talk to that person, and you want that no, I want to meet him or I want to meet her. So what are these second thoughts or maybe two thoughts? That means whatever you are thinking at the first go, that is your conscious mind, and the second thing is your higher self, your subconscious mind. Okay, so whenever you get these kind of second thoughts, like, I want to do this, no, I think I should not. I want to go there, no, I think I should not. All right, I want to quit my job and I want to just, explore the world, or maybe do something else, or maybe start some own business. So I think that is something which we always ignore. No, I can't do this. That second thought, always we ignore it. No, I think we should not do this. It'll create a very big problem. That is something you are manipulating now, okay? You are defending, but you don't need to ignore that thought. That is of your higher self. So you need to see whenever in life you just get these kind of thoughts, just try to work on those, because they are best for you. So always trust your intuition. These are your intuitions, and slowly and gradually, if you are into meditation or in peace of mind you have, and you have the kind of environment which is so positive, your intuition will increase, and you will see that whatever you will feel, that will happen for the truth. Okay, so just start working on these tips and these points. It will really increase your intuition power, and always trust your intuition. Thank you so much.